Welcome to Rising Sun Astrology's Daily Dose of Destiny.
For Sunday, August 28th, 2016. The Sun has moved to 6 degrees Virgo, while the cards that govern August 28th are the Jack of Hearts, Nine of Clubs. At 12 noon Mountain Daylight Time, the Moon in Cancer forms a last quarter septile with the North Node in Virgo. Mercury in Virgo is in a new phase conjunction with Venus in Virgo, while Venus in Virgo is in a new phase conjunction with Jupiter in Virgo. The triple conjunction in Virgo forms the last quarter quintile with Saturn in Sagittarius. The triple conjunction is also in a gibbous phase triseptile with Uranus retrograde in Aries. Mars in Sagittarius squares the nodal axis in Pisces Virgo. Saturn in Sagittarius is in a disseminating sesquiquadrate to Uranus retrograde in Aries. Saturn in Sagittarius is also in a disseminating square with Neptune retrograde in Pisces. Saturn in Sagittarius is also in a disseminating biseptile with Chiron retrograde in Pisces. Chiron retrograde in Pisces in a balsamic semisextile with Uranus retrograde in Aries. The Sabian symbol for 6 degrees Virgo is a merry-go-round. The keynote implies the first experience of the dynamic intensity of life processes and of the possibility of using them to reach a characteristic ego satisfaction. The cards that govern August 28th are the Jack of Hearts, Nine of Clubs. The Jack of Hearts begins in the spiritual spread in the Venus-Jupiter position, and being a fixed card, stays in the world spread in the Venus-Jupiter position. The Jack of Hearts life spread primarily occupies the Venus-Mars lines, while the vertical influence primarily occupies the Jupiter line. The Nine of Clubs life spread primarily occupies the Venus-Mars lines, while the vertical influence primarily occupies the Saturn line. The Nine of Clubs begins in the spiritual spread in the Jupiter-Mercury position, and in the world or life spread moves to the Venus-Saturn position. The Jack of Hearts, being a fixed card, shares its fixed qualities with the Eight of Clubs, King of Spades. The Nine of Clubs gives energy to the Queen of Hearts, while it receives energy from the Six of Diamonds.
For those born today, August 28th, happy solar return. For more information or your year in review, contact me at risingsunastrology.com.